Here's a 2012 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin elegant and sporty, and the performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: external memory control, front heated leather bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, automatic suspension management, AM/FM stereo, dual zone climate control, rear wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. Automobile reports the E-Class offers exceptional handling capabilities without losing out on ride quality. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.